All right, y'all. So I hope you ate your dinner because we're about to get into dessert. We are talking today about the ASICS Vandy the Great Banana Split Pack. And we are talking about one of those is 2-pack, obviously. Shout out to my guy, Be More Sneakers, for letting me borrow these for content. He went and actually picked these up. These are straight from the streets of New York. He drove up, took the train into the city, and went and picked up at the release that they did in New York at Atmos. Pretty sure is where that was. But anyway, Vandy the Pink, let's get into it. As you see, the box itself already gives you the theme, right? And this is South Korea's own Vandy the Pink, who's an artist. Not a household name, I don't think, by any means, but doing some great things in design. This shoe, this pack, they unleashed at Atmos Con initially, and is again inspired by banana split, right? A banana split, you got your bananas, you got your cherries, you got the different ice creams and the fudge, right? So let's get into the shoe. The box itself is dope, as you can see, not a traditional ASICS box at all. Got some artwork inside, pretty slick. Basic paper, and this is the banana pair. So you see the yellow, man, no joke. This almost has like a fruit smell, like a banana. You can smell like a banana split a little bit. I'm not even playing. Maybe I'm crazy, but it's just glue. I don't smell it, but it smells a little fruity. But the shoe itself has got a nice, man. This is really, this is my first time looking at this close up, y'all. I don't do a ton of running shoes, ASICS mesh runners and things, but this has a lot going on. The midsole on this is dope. The outsole, I'll just go from the bottom up. Got some multicolor there. The midsole has some ASICS cushioning, the gel cushioning throughout the side. And this is the Gel-Nimbus 10.1 is the shoe model. So if you've seen this model before, I'm sure you have. Has a certain overlay the way that the forefoot area is cut and the way things go up into the laces. But anyway, that's the shoe there on the side. You get the mostly yellow base. You got their signature, this little flower design is Vandy's kind of signature logo. You got the Nimbus on the back with the gel. The ASICS, you know, their typical strap system on the side, their design that goes into the brown lace stays there. And that's kind of reminiscent again of the chocolate on the banana split. You got pink on the back, so this could be like reference like your cherry on top of the banana split. And let's see, we got the silver going all around, which is nice. The forefoot of the shoe, really nice. Comes with some fuzzy laces, which is cool. Really fuzzy and fun. We got an insole in there that has the banana split on it as well. I'm gonna pull that out. But you can see that there. But nice strong structure of the shoe. Looks like it's very, feels very sturdy. Let's see. All right, it comes with a second pair of laces. This is like a thin gray and white kind of lace, like really thin, which is weird. Compared to this, you have the thick fuzzy laces. But I like that one. Let's get the other shoe out. So the Gel-Nimbus 10.1, clean shoe, man. I mean, and I'm not the biggest fan of a lot of ASICS because I feel like a lot of them, while ASICS has always been a great running shoe, I feel like a lot of the ASICS I see look like the shoes that I always see like at the Dick's Sporting Goods or the Finish Lines, whatever, always on the shelf, right? The same good running shoe, but nothing that's like I'm chasing that it's like the next hype ASICS that I need in my collection. They look like every other one, but when they do a collab like this is totally different. This has a strong heel counter on the back of this one. And again, a lot of mesh, so a very breathable shoe. I mean, it's mostly mesh. This silver is the only other material, nylon kind of vinyl that covers the shoe. And there's a lot of aeration throughout. But what do y'all think, man? I think this shoe is pretty clean. And I know the banana, the strawberry is more, it's pink overall, with some yellow accents and brown and everything. It's kind of reverse of this. But this banana one is nice, man. And my guy, so he picked this up in store. And I think he picked up a pair of each on their website. So they dropped on the site yesterday, right? On, what was it, May 29th or May 30th? not yesterday, a couple days ago. And they had a whole thing where you had to have a code for the shoe because they priced them to, you know, to ward off the bots and the bot buyers, where the price of the shoe on their website was $30,000. And some of the bots went through and checked out. And sorry for them, they didn't have the code to bring that price down to the retail price, which I can't remember the actual retail price of this shoe. I don't have it on it. $180 maybe. They did not have the code to bring the price down, and some of it actually put on the website too in the fine print. If you were suspected of being a bot purchase, there's no refunds. So somebody out there, a couple people I think I saw got processed through, got $30,000 ASICS Gel-Nimbus Vandy Greats. Nice shoe, definitely not $30,000 worth. So, haha, got them. So I love to see that. It's like the J Balvin, you know, the Rio, they did that as well, right? You had to get that code to zero that price down. I think it was 20-some thousand with his shoe. Too bad for them. Stop trying to game the system. But anyway, love this, man. This is a really nice pair. Ratings-wise, for me, I give this probably like a 9 out of 10. I think it's fun. It's got, you know, a lot of aeration. Looks really comfortable. I would definitely rock this shoe. And I don't know, y'all. It might be my start to getting more mesh runners. It's been the thing for the last few years. I've kind of resisted it. Just hasn't been my thing. But between New Balance and, you know, what ASICS, what they've been doing, some of the classic stuff, and then some of these collabs like this, I may jump on board. So we'll see. Let me know what you think. Did you cop? Were you after either of these? I know I talked to one of my guys. He couldn't find the code online, so he wasn't able to check out. Let me know how that went for you. Make sure you sub up on your way out. Make sure you follow across the socials at Real Daddy Seed. Thanks for sticking out and hanging with your boy. We got more things on the way. Keep it locked. I will see y'all on the next. Peace.